Welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On.
Okay, today we're going to the Palmyra Real Food Emporium, and we're going to go to their open house. One of the taste tests we got here today, we got Fig Newtons made by Fran, called Fran Newtons. Very good. You try one? Very good? All right. Okay, what do we got here? We got some smoked salmon.
This is a smoked salmon. I swear I've seen these before, but I have no idea what they are. They're called macaroons. Oh, macarons? Or macarons, yeah. Okay, that's right.
That is really good.
Isn't that amazing? You can try one. That's a coffee one. I think it's chocolate. That's lemon. Chocolate?
Chocolate it is.
There wasn't any hesitation there at all.
What do you think, Elias?
Pretty good.
All right, good job.
Pecans here.
Oh, yes. Got pecans?
Yeah, this place is nuts. Get it?
I get it. I get it. You're nuts.
Nice.
Elias, making really nuts. Here, try that one. What do you think?
Wow. Interesting to say the least.
And yes, that's very nice to say. But you did. You like it. Okay, stand back when you eat it. Good job.
What do you think?
I think they did bumped into it here. These are very good. I can just eat them up.
All right, very good.
Here's the deli.
You like the deli, huh?
Yep. Here's the dog treats as well.
You see those big turkey feet there, Elias?
You see his turkey feet in there.
Yeah.
Here's the old famous baking press.
The big famous baking press. All right.
It's made by Taylor and G in 1978.
Ooh, that's a good bacon press. Okay, what kind of jerky is that you're tasting? Maple pepper. Oh, thank you.
Really, you're a jerk if you don't like Tom's jerky.
There you go. It's good.
Elias, tonight
All right.
I'm telling you,
Elias,
Elias.
keep warm by hugging you. Is that okay?
I never
You like
saw
it cold.
There was this fermented snow peas today. And we got fermented cucumbers.
Fermented cucumbers are the same as pickles.
Oh, very nice. Good point.
Here's an organic red beet.
What is that?
An organic red beet.
Ah.
Here's some nuts right here. And if you don't like Tom's peanuts or anything like that, you're nuts! Studies show that all of the people that leave Tom's store leave happy.
Nice, because they're olives. All of the people. Good.
that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.